up, everybody? It's your girl Chrissy and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, you guys, I'm going to be giving you guys another makeup tutorial. I'm super excited to actually be doing this specific tutorial because it's by a brand that I've been wanting to use for the longest, and I finally was able to get my hands on this brand. So that brand has to be HUDA Beauty, okay? So I, first of all, have been loving the tones, the shades of these palettes that's been coming out. And honestly, I just really haven't worked up to get the palettes, but they recently came out with their nudes palettes, you guys, which is super cute. These palettes are designed to go with specific, if I can get it out, specific shade tones, like skin tones. So for instance, if you're more of a darker, medium to dark, definitely do light. If you're more of a light to fair, you're gonna wanna do dark. I got the nudes in the color medium, which is super fab. And let's just talk about this packaging first and foremost, okay? The packaging is like freaking snake skin. Like, who does a packaging like this? Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, let me open it. Okay, so this is pretty much the inside. So you're going to get 4 of your metallics, 5 of your mattes, okay? But these colors are just so stunning. Like, just look at the metallics. I don't know how this is going to be putting on my face. I don't know, I've never used one of their palettes before. I just love the color. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to get my hands on this. Also, you guys, I picked up their strobe lip gloss, which is super, super cute. I love this color. I think this color is so glitz and glam, and it's perfect for your night out, or, you know, if you're going out with your man, okay? Definitely you want to pick you up one of those, and it's just so fab. I love it. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to prime my eyes. Before I prime my eyes, I am going to add on the shadow shield. This is just going to protect my face from getting all the shadow, just in case there is some leave out. I don't know, again, because I've never used this palette or this brand. So yeah, we're going to put that on the eye. And this is also going to give me a nice little shape when I do my eyeshadow as well. So give me a nice little cut there. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay. This is an eyeshadow potion primer. I'm actually going to prime my eyes a little, you guys. I think it's so necessary to prime the eyes. Your eyeshadows will pop more. They will look better. You're gonna have an overall a better makeup look if you do prime your eyes. It is just so necessary to prime those eyes, okay? Especially if you're gonna be adding like metallics. You know, you want everything to lay nicely and just look flawless. Okay, you guys, so here is the palette here. I really don't know what type of look I'm gonna do right now, but I'm actually gonna start in with my crease, you guys, to kind of work my way up and work my way into the actual shadows itself. So I'm going to start off with more of this like peachy, pinky tone here. I think that would be really, really cute. Going with a little bit more of the dark. Going with here, dark, and then do one of the little shimmers, so. And what I could tell you guys right now is that this is laying on the eye so nicely. Like, so nicely. So far, there is no leave out. Nothing's falling on here, you guys. This is my makeup that I put on, but nothing is falling out on the actual shield that I have on. We're just gonna cover the whole eye with that. And then we're gonna do a nice transition color. It's really nice. So next I'm going to go and, ooh, getting some green light is not letting me be great Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with more of this tone here. This tone is almost like of a mauve, like a lighter tan mixed with a little bit of pink. Not really sure what that color is called, but that's really pretty. I'm going to take that in the crease, just kind of like starting here at the end, you guys, and then just working my way in circular motions. That's really pretty. That looks really good. That looks so pretty, you guys. And there's like really little to no fallout, you guys. It's really, really no fallout, like literally. Like just a little bit of like particles here and there. But this is, the mattes are amazing. I mean, amazing. I just can't, guys. So I'm actually gonna go in with this like burgundy color shade here, and I'm gonna take that, like I said, in between my crease to create a nice little smoky look. But so far, you guys, this palette is fire. This is an eye contour brush from e.l.f., you guys, if you want to know what the brushes are. The other ones are not labeled. I got them through Amazon, so I'm not really sure. But some of my Morphe brushes are labeled, so I'll tell you guys the names, but just kind of do like little pats. Ooh. Ooh, girl. Really? Oh, give me that smoke. And I'm just gonna give us like a nice little, like smoky, deep look, you guys. This will be great for fall. I'm going to take this fluffy brush here. This is more like a shadow brush, you guys. And I'm actually just going to smooth out that darkness that's in my eye. Oh my gosh, I can never get it right. We're just going to smooth it out. Again, doing circular motions to give us that nice smoky effect. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to take my MAC MC45 and I'm actually going to be using the M224 Morphe brush to do a nice cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease in a long time, you guys. I want to add one of the metallic colors to my eyes to give me a nice finish, so it's definitely necessary to do a cut crease today, honey. So I'm going to use more of this deeper metallic, and I'm also going to use this gold metallic. I'm going to create a nice little ombre effect on my eye. I think it's going to be super, super pretty to have like two metallics on there. Like, come on. So first and foremost, I'm actually going to spray my brush with a setting spray. This is going to help my matte lay really nicely onto my eye. And I'm actually going to start off with that darker metallic first. I'm going to put it in here, and then the gold's gonna be on the outer. That's gonna be so pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like my eye just looks crazy right now. Oh, you guys, this looks so good. Okay, let's do it. Now let's go in with the gold on the other side. Alright, so I've added my lashes on. I did a little bit of a winged eye. So now I'm going to go in with my orange corrector. This is the Pro Conceal LA Girl. And I'm actually just going to go up underneath my eyes where I do have a little bit of darkness. And even elsewhere I have like little spots that are peeking through. I want to cover that up. I am going to go in with a wet beauty blender, you guys. I have taken this in completely wet, this beauty blender, and I squeezed out the excess water with a rag and then a piece of tissue. I would recommend doing the same, especially if you're going to bake your face, to give you a nice, like, you know, baking. And I'm actually going to show you guys how to properly bake your face as well. That way your makeup lasts all day, because I mean, we bake our face to make it last. We don't want to half do it, so. I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl. This is a True Blend Matte Made Foundation. The color is D15. I actually have this in D15 and in D30 because I do get like a slight tan in the summer, but then I get a little bit lighter in the winter. So this is like more of my lighter shade. And this is supposed to be like a transfer resistant. So like if you guys are hugging somebody, for instance, it shouldn't get on their shirt. I mean, I wouldn't cake it on, but it shouldn't get on their shirt if you are going to hug somebody. And I'm actually just going to take a more of a slant. Next, I'm going to take my beauty blender. I'm actually going to squeeze a little bit of a pump on there, and I'm just going to pat this out on my face. When you guys are adding foundation to your face, make sure that you're taking it to your neck as well, because you never want to have one color and then in a second, you know, lighter, darker, whatever, vice versa. So you want to make sure that you guys are blending this foundation out and bringing it to your lower chin and to your neck as well, so that your makeup will look just as transparent as your neck, face to neck. So next we're going to go ahead and do a nice little contour. We'll highlight and then we're going to contour. So I'm actually going to be using Kylie Jenner, her concealer in color Almond, and I'm actually going to be using an Infallible Full Coverage Concealer. This color is in color 385 Amber. Next, I'm going to go in and we're going to bake our face. I am actually going to be using the ColourPop No Filter. This is the color Banana. This is a setting powder, you guys, a baking powder. And I'm actually going to take the tip of this beauty blender right here. I just re-wet it and redid my thing again. And I'm just going to put like a little bit on there, right? So then we're going to start at the crease of our eye. And we're just going to rock it back and forth. So once I've added my lashes, I did my nice little highlight at the eye. The main reason why I wanted to show you guys how to start off with doing your baking powder is because you want your face to be baked and look really nice throughout the day. So if you do have oily skin like I do, it will actually help out with the oiliness in the skin and give you a nice flawless foundation look, you know, all throughout the day. So now I'm actually going to go back in with that Nude palette, you guys, and I'm actually going to use that more pinky tone color here and do me a nice blush. And then I'm actually going to take a nice shimmer. This is from Victoria's Secret. I've had this for so many years, you guys. So many years. Victoria's Secret, this is what it looks like. It's more of a gold shimmer. And I'm going to give us a nice little highlight. I want a nice little, like, you know, shimmer. now we're going to focus more on the lip to complete this look. I'm actually going to be going in with the Les Chocolate by this L'Oreal. Oh my gosh, I almost said Maybelline. And then we're going to go over this matte lipstick with the Huda Strobe Light lip gloss.